Remember to buy in at the latest cost expectations and digital money news for spring 31st, 2023. AI calculations lay out cheap valuing. Simply a cordial update that Shiba Inu proprietors can uphold us by tapping the underneath unique thanks button. The digital money market has dialed back since the year's start, and Shiba Inu is no exemption. Subsequently, brokers and financial backers in digital currencies are searching for indications of their future developments, for example, those presented by AI stages. As we enter the third month of 2023, it just so happens the cost of Shiba Inu was anticipated to arrive at 4 zeros and 11 by the AI calculations that the digital currency following entryways cost forecast through spring 31st, 2023. The latest data was procured on spring 2nd by Finvault. Truth be told, calculations in light of specialized pointers, for example, moving midpoints, moving normal union, disparity, Bollinger Group's normal genuine reach relative strength file, and others' anticipated drop in cost of 8.3% from KIB's present cost. Coincidentally, if you need to help us, kindly buy into our feed and like the video. Interestingly, the opinion on the one-day measures at the monetary and cryptographic money following sites. TradingView is for the most part negative for Shiba Inu and recommends selling at 12 is summed up from the moving midpoints, highlighting selling at 10 and oscillators proposing selling it. At the hour of distribution, Shiba Inu was exchanging at 4 zeros and 12, which addresses a downfall of 3.54% on the day as well as of 8.93% contrasted with 7 days sooner. In spite of the fact that Shib is still record-breaking, the occasions encompassing the canine image token, for example, the beta send-off of the Layer 2 organization Shibarium and the elite display of the Shib will decide whether it can accomplish the cost projected by the profound learning calculations, the metaverse itself, by Southwest 2023, as well as the overall assessment toward cryptographic forms of money and worldwide business sectors. Shib whales are taking critical lumps of Shiba Inu image tokens as they stock up before the presentation of Shibarium, obtaining 90 billion Shiba Inu as they are prepared. Information from the Etherscan tracker uncovers that whales bought to Shiba irregularities under an hour prior. In excess of 12 billion Shiba Inu image mint pieces are remembered for them altogether. The subsequent wallet has bought 90 billion Shib and got 100 billion Shib from significant trades throughout the span of the most recent 24 hours. The previously mentioned exchanges, as per the Etherscan, were brought out through the notable digital money trades KuCoin and Binance. 3,999,499,999 boats were conveyed altogether by the first all through the past 24 hours. The subsequent transmission 150,930,915. Shib around 90 billion. Shiba Inu tokens have, be that as it may, passed through the second wallet without anyone else. 3 huge digital money trades Binance, Coinbase, and OKX gave the exchanges. Oddly, the wallet moves each Shib knot to an alternate location quickly following every exchange. However, the information uncovers that the underlying wallet had bought something other than one piece of 4 billion coins. There have been 3 Shib amounts of similar worth as of now. Whales had purchased 92,384 billion Shiba Inu. In any case, Boat's main designer Satoshi Kusama has demanded that the beta variant of Shibarium will be delivered quickly. Shib reception look were covered by Binance recently in view of a new understanding between the Binance trade and its Binance Pay administration. In excess of 600 different sellers in the territory of Georgia currently acknowledge Bitcoin and other digital forms of money as installment. Wendy's is a drive-through eatery. Top-level motels, diners, and grocery stores are incorporated. Binance Pay and CDPay have collaborated. This stage empowers organizations to trade their labor and products for virtual monetary standards on the Ethereum organization. The main 1,000 crypto whales claimed a normal of more than $619 million Shib as of spring 2nd. Inquisitively, the $619 million sum just records for 10% of the whale's absolute digital currency possessions, as most of huge financial backers presently own. More solid coins, especially the main 1,000 departed whales, contain us esteemed at more than $600 million. By and large, 8 million USDT was in 2008. Polygon, Chainlink, and Uniswap utility token Uni were two other notable cryptos on the rundown, in spite of the fact that their joint worth was still not exactly the regular property of SHIB tokens by the whales. Incidentally, to help us, kindly buy into our feed and like the video. Whales that additionally monitors outstanding financial backers' most well-known exchanging monetary forms, most significant symbolic property as far as dollar esteem, most famous root agreements, and most sold coins. The USD saw stablecoins overwhelm each and every class except for the most well-known digital money by dollar esteem, which went to Shiba Inu. Notwithstanding the activities of crypto Goliaths, Shib's cost presentation throughout the last week has been poor, with a practically 11% addition. It exchanges at 4 zeros and 12. Just $172 million worth of new SHIB tokens were bought and sold by digital money sellers in the earlier day, out of the beyond 7 days. In related news, Shiba Inu at last answers that the presentation of Shibarium beta might happen when possible. The Shib armed force will be essential for the accomplished spotlight at the lofty Yagmaya Sanctuary Centerpoint debut in Austin, Texas this month. Because of late media consideration around the approaching send-off of the Shibarium organization, apparently financial backers are focusing on Shiba Inu. Shiba's esteem has expanded by 2.3% throughout the last day, returning it to over the multi-day moving normal. The Shiba Inu coin will be associated with the approaching blockchain network called Shibarium. SHIB chains and bone tokens are important for the trade's unmistakable biological system, which will uphold it. Financial backers in the Shiba Inu environment will approach a faster and more secure option in contrast to the Siberian organization. SHIB's cost might have as of late expanded because of the expectation encompassing the arrival of Shibarium and different changes to the SHIB environment. The presentation of an information system was as of late declared by the Shiba Inu Advancement Group. SHIB's cost is still to some degree low contrasted with its untouched high, which it achieved back in May 2021. What's more, this means quite a bit to remember. Ongoing advances, notwithstanding, could show that the image token is steadily developing away from the person enlivened by images and turning out to be really encouraging. John Richmond plans to make clothing with SHIB subjects for the Shiba Inu metaverse. John Richmond, an accomplice in the Shiba Inu clothing brand, has requested individuals from the Shiba People group to propose thoughts for the ideal clothing they imagine themselves wearing in the Shiba metaverse. John Richmond included hashtags relating to Shiba Inu's, like the impending OWL to organize Shibarium and welcome the Shiba People group to give thoughts in the tweet's remarks segment. They're legends? You know, as per John Richmond, we need to understand what sort of clothing you imagine wearing in the metaverse. Individuals from the Shiba People group quickly jumping all over the opportunity to offer their own proposition. A Twitter client going by the handle Zero. She answered the news by saying that having individuals who just wear John Richmond clothing inside the metaverse could hurt Shib and the metaverse over the long haul. I value you coming. I'm anticipating the following video.